everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. So I'm starting off my manicure with a base coat. On my index, I'm going to draw game participant number 001. So I have applied tail polish as base polish on my index fingernail. Over tail polish, I have added 2 striping tape horizontally to draw a straight white line at the left side of my nail. Then I have stamped number 001 on the right side of my nail. Now I'm going to draw pink ajushi. At first I have applied rose pink polish as base polish on my middle nail. I have stamped a circle at the center of the nail and then filled the gaps with regular black polish. I have stamped a tiny triangle image to match it with Ajushi's mask. I have also added a small line starting from Ajushi's mask to my nail tip to match it with pink Ajushi's costume. For Dalgona candy, I have applied yellow ochre nail polish on my ring fingernail. I also did ombre with a darker shade of yellow ochre and then stamped a star image cause my name is Polish Star. Ha, joking. Never mind. Last but not least, Ojingo game symbol. Without it, this nail art is incomplete. I have stamped triangle, round and square image over black base with white polish. Lastly, seal your manicure with top coat to make it long lasting and add a beautiful shine. So that's all about my today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends if you want to, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Have a great day everyone.